In Python, how to recover from joke statements like true equals false. I started learning Python just today using Python 2.7, and I have a question here about global variables true and false. It seems I can overwrite the value of true and false as this. Now whether we put true or we put false as the if condition, it always prints xxxx. Then how to recover from that fault situation? I imagine that we could use something like. But that seems bit dodgy to me. Is there any better way to do that? Thanks. Also, it seems in Python 3.3 this action is no longer allowed.
If things aren't too bad, you could set true equals underscore underscore built-ins underscore underscore dot true.
The way to recover from this is to not let it happen. That said, you can always use the bool type to access true and false again. Bool always returns one of the two Boolean singletons. Example. If this is a simple true equals something binding, then what happens is that a new name true is created in the current namespace. The underscore underscore built-ins underscore underscore module is not altered. In this case you can simply delete, unbind, the true name in your namespace. Then Python will use the one defined in underscore underscore built-ins underscore underscore again. None of this is possible in Python 3, because true and false are no longer names, variables, but keywords.
They are not global variables as such, they are built-ins. They are available in underscore underscore built-in underscore underscore, no s, and you can do what you will for a joke. Note that doing this kind of thing is mostly for mocking profilers and things of that kin. And no, you can't do that in a 3.x series, because true and false are keywords, not, sort of, singletons like in 2.x.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.